Hello, I'm back. I'm Patricia. I love baking cakes. If you're here, it's because you like baking cakes too, or you want to learn. Today we're going to do this delicious carrot cake. It's a Brazilian style one. And look at this. The best carrot cake ever. Going to start now, okay? No more talking. Firstly, you're going to preheat your oven at 170 degrees. Now, using a blender, you're going to mix all the ingredients together, except for the flour and the baking powder. So you're going to put carrots, sugar, sunflower oil, and eggs. Because my blender is very small, I had to do it in two portions, half and then half. But if you have a blender bigger than mine, you can mix all the ingredients together at once. I'm going to transfer this mix to a bowl, and now I'm going to start to add flour slowly. I'm going to use the sieve to avoid some lumps on my cake. Using a whisk, I'm going to mix all together, still adding flour slowly, and I'm going to leave the baking powder for the last. I'm going to mix for about 2 minutes. Your cake mixture, it should look like this, nice, smooth and uniform. Now we are going to grease your cake tin. I'm using a cake release spray, but if you don't have it, you can grease with butter or oil. There's no need to dust your cake tin with flour. I'm using 2 different shapes to bake my cake, but you can use any kind of cake tin you have at home. Bring your cake to the oven for about 30 minutes or until the amazing smell of baking starts spreading all over your house. Then you know your cake is ready. But always check with a stick or even with a knife if your cake is dry inside before taking it out of the oven. While your cake are in the oven, it's time to start preparing a chocolate ganache. We are going to add into a pan butter and honey, and we're going to bring to cook until it starts boiling. We are going to add this liquid into our chocolate, and we're going to mix it by hand for about 3 minutes. Once you finish mixing, you can let your chocolate ganache resting for about 30 minutes at room temperature. Chocolate ganache ready, it's time to decorate our cake. My favorite part, besides eating it, of course. I just cut the top of this cake because I want to keep the cake at the same level, but also I'm going to use the crumbs to decorate our cake. So let's do it!
baking cakes. Hi everybody, I'm back with Mateo. Vem aqui, Mateo. João Paulo. Tá bom, então tá bom, vai pra lá, vai. Depois of baking cakes. Hello, I'm back. I'm Patrícia. I love baking cakes. João Paulo, mamãe pediu, não fala, por favor. Shh. Shh. Mamãe só vai terminar esse vídeo e depois vai te dar o bolo, tá bom? Please. 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 Oh. Eu vou chorar.